In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add corner ribbon to Unbounce website. By the end, you'll have a polished corner ribbon or pop-up running on your landing page, perfect for showcasing promotions, coupon codes, or important announcements without interrupting your visitor's experience. First, head to commonninja.com and sign into your account. If you're new, creating an account is quick and free to start. Once you're in, open the widgets catalog and look for a corner-style widget. Popular options include the corner pop-up or the corner coupon pop-up. Choose the one that fits your goal, then start customizing it. Update the text to something clear and action-oriented, set colors that align with your brand, and adjust behavior settings, like when it appears, how it animates in, and whether it stays fixed in the corner on scroll. Keep contrast high so the ribbon is readable, and keep the message short. Think one line plus a clear call to action. If you're highlighting a coupon, make sure it's easy to copy. When you're happy with the design and behavior, save your widget. After saving, click Add to Website. You'll see an embed code, typically a small JavaScript snippet or an iframe. Copy the entire code exactly as provided. Don't edit the snippet, and be careful not to copy it twice. This code is what pulls your customized ribbon into your Unbounce page. Now open your Unbounce landing page in the editor. If you prefer a visual approach, drag a custom HTML or code element onto the page. It doesn't matter where you place the box visually because the ribbon will anchor to the corner on the live page, but adding it near the top keeps things tidy. Paste the embed code into that HTML box. If you're comfortable working with page-level scripts, you can also open the JavaScript section in Unbounce and paste the same code there. Placing it before the body end tag is a solid default for pop-ups and ribbons. The key is to add the code once, either in the HTML widget or in the JavaScripts area. Save your changes and publish the page. Visit the live URL to confirm the ribbon appears and behaves as expected on both desktop and mobile. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or clear your cache. If something looks off, return to Common Ninja, tweak the design or timing, save again, and your changes will update when the page reloads. That's it. Your corner ribbon is live in Unbounce.